In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage your dashboards in HubSpot. First, open your browser and search for HubSpot. Click through to the official HubSpot website and sign in to your account. If you have access to more than one workspace, make sure you're in the right one before moving on so your new dashboard lands in the correct portal. Once you're in, hover your mouse over the main navigation and locate the reporting area. From there, choose Dashboards. This is your central hub for all reporting views, whether you're monitoring sales performance, marketing activity, or service metrics. On the Dashboards page, click Create Dashboard. HubSpot offers a collection of templates to help you get started quickly, which is especially useful if you're new to reporting or you want a best practice layout without building everything from scratch. For this walkthrough, select the CRM Data Overview template. It's a solid starting point that pulls in common reports about your records and activity. Click Next to proceed. You'll now give your dashboard a name. Choose something clear and specific so teammates can find it easily later. For example, include the team, purpose, or timeframe in the title. Avoid vague names. Descriptive titles make organization and sharing much easier. When you're ready, click Create Dashboard. HubSpot will assemble the new view based on the template you selected. Then choose Go to your dashboard to open it. Inside your new dashboard, you can start tailoring it to your needs. Use Add content to bring in additional reports from your library or from HubSpot's gallery. This is great for filling any gaps that the template doesn't cover. You can also customize sections to organize your space, drag and drop tiles to reorder them, and resize modules so the most important visuals stand out. For deeper control on a specific report tile, click the three dots to open more options, then choose Customize. This takes you into the report editor for that tile. Here, you can change the chart style to better match your data story, switching, for example, from a table to a bar chart or line chart if that improves readability. As you tweak the visualization and fields, keep an eye on how the data updates to ensure it reflects the insights you want to highlight. When your adjustments look good, select Update Existing Report. This saves your edits and pushes the refined report back to the dashboard, keeping everything in sync without creating duplicates. That's it. Your dashboard is created, organized, and customized, ready to share with your team and use for ongoing tracking.